This training video talks you through the process of retelling and editing. At every stage in the use of Mighty Writer, teachers and children are free to retell and edit as much as is needed. This encourages children to think increasingly carefully about word choices, word order, and story structure, whilst being able to make changes quickly and simply. It makes the process of editing fun, as teachers and children can think of different ways to improve a piece of writing. Children can be creative and inventive without having to worry about getting it wrong. Questions may include, does this make sense? How could we improve this sentence? How can we make the beginning more dramatic?